Okay, today me and Jack decided to do a seafood theme, and we are at a restaurant in Hendersonville, Tennessee called Moby Dickeys. This is right on the lake, Old Hickory Lake. I'm going to tell you now, I'm going to go out on a limb and say, just by judging a book by its cover, first looks, I'm going to love this place. They took time to pave the parking lot. It's quaint. It's beautiful. The aesthetics are beautiful. All of this plays in the experience of eating. So I'm looking forward to coming in. So come on and join us. Well, Jack, what do you think?
Dude, this goes up. Look. It's like a garage door.
Beautiful.
I love it. I mean, if it wasn't 90 degrees outside, I'd go eat on the patio.
Absolutely. Right on the lake. So we have a nice, very nice place here. It is booming. Nice music and looks really nice. I like it. Well, we're here at Moby Dickeys, and this is the menu. Looks just scrumptious. Oh yeah.
Look at, they got seafood wraps, grouper or shrimp.
I think I'm gonna make a little pig of myself. Good choice, my buddy Jack. And we'll check the back of this. Let's snap. Oh, they got some good choices here. And ribeyes.
Yeah, they do.
Look at that. Very, very nice. But I can't get over.
I love this place.
I love it. The view with the lake back there. I'm in love with the lake.
It's amazing, dude.
Outside, they've got a TV over there, a lounge area. Very nice.
I just want to show how many people are here and how this place is booming. There's a lot of people in the bar. There's a lot of people walking in. A lot of people sitting on the patio. And the best part about it is, it's 3 o'clock. It's not even lunchtime. And this place is kicking. So in the off hour, this place is booming. I can imagine at dinner and at lunch. This place is crazy. I mean, look at all the cars outside. They're parked. Like, there's no empty spot right now. Not one empty spot. And you can can't you pull your boat up?
Oh yeah, they got a nice dock out there. Yep, this is really a cute place. Right off Old Hickory Lake.
It's perfectly designed. It looks great in here.
You know what the most exciting part about this soup is? There isn't a chip in the bowl. Did you notice that? It's real clean.
That looks beautiful. We got lobster bits and clam chowder. So we're gonna test it out in just a moment.
Nice and hot.
This is really hot. No, it's really hot. Beautiful.
I bet it tastes good, but I just singed every taste bud that I own.
So you're going with the lobster bisque?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try both, but this
That's
I'm
beautiful.
gonna try this.
Be
And
careful.
I like it hot.
Be careful, because those soups burn.
Oh, it's good.
You like
This
that?
is good. Oh yeah, we're going for number 2.
You must have liked that, because if you take a second bite on film, it's that good.
It's gonna be a 3rd and 4th bite too coming. No, this is delicious.
It's good. So
Very,
we like
very
the clam chowder and we like lobster bisque so far. So we're kind of impressed, huh?
Oh yeah, this is ready from outside. My presumption was right. This is excellent. I can't wait to taste the main stuff.
I just want to let you know that our drinks were what? They were half empty, and she just went to go refill them. Just talking about how great the service is here. We didn't even have empty glasses. These girls here are fast, and they move stuff quickly and take care of you. So good job.
All right, 2 main dishes came out. This is a Chicago-style oysters with jalapenos and bacon bits. This looks ridiculous. Can't wait to jump into that. And then in front of Jack, we've got an order of seafood wraps. And we picked grouper. Let's take a good look at that. Does that make you want to jump right in there? And then they got their own homemade potato chips. This looks the bomb. Very, very nice. So Jack, you want to do the honors first?
Yeah, I'll try this real quick.
All right.
It's really packed with fish, dude. A lot of fish. And I love grouper. That's a great thing. So wait, hold on. 1 second. Let me move that out of the way. I don't want to eat over that. There we go.
You got to do that in slow motion. Good, huh? Good choice, Moby Dickeys. Well,
Give
take
it
a
a
look
try.
at
That is unbelievable.
boiling hot, and this too, I forgot to mention, is a spinach wrap. So everything on the healthy side.
You can taste it right away, huh?
Yeah, lots of chunks of
A
fish.
lot of flavor. That's what we need in some of those sushi rolls we've been eating.
Oh,
We
absolutely.
want to taste the seafood.
Delicious.
And how are those chips? Those are
Oh yeah,
good.
very, very good. I bit some already.
They're homemade and they're very firm. They're
Very
beautiful.
good.
Beautiful.
Very good.
All right, so we paid extra for jalapeno and bacon. I don't know how to eat this, but it's not breaded, and that's the kind of oysters we like. Here we go. Hold on, this is gonna look really bad. Hang on a minute. Don't laugh, okay? Sorry, I need to rotate it. Wow, that's really good. Ooh, that's really good flavor. Oh, that jalapeno kicked in.
Oh,
All right, go ahead, you try
I'm
your
gonna
drink.
have it plain with nothing on it. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful. There we go. I like the Parmesan cheese on an oyster. It goes good. Very tasty. Very tasty.
Okay, guys, home run. Night and day from the last place. This is a major home run. The fish was loaded. It exploded in your mouth. It tasted distinctful. The soups were all distinctful. Everything had a powerful taste. It was all clean. It was all wonderful flavors. Great people. Hop-in place. I loved it.
This is the place to go. Take your honey here. She will love you for it. The food was excellent. It was beyond my expectations. I will definitely come back again because you guys depend on us giving you a real honest review. The setting, the building, everything is clean. There's no dust, no cobwebs in there. The service is impeccable. They're on top of everything. And the food came out promptly, nice and hot as you've seen already. My poor buddy Jack.
That's not funny.
I don't know if I should take him to the emergency room.
That's not funny.
But it really was excellent. We tried different dishes to get a kind of a view, a good balanced view of the restaurant. It is excellent. It's 5 stars in my book. Come here. You'll have a good time.